There is a sweetness I can taste under the moonlight, and some face are making me feel that his touch is real. Is this a true love or make-believe? Under the starlight, how we dance. Is this illusion or romance? How long should I stay or go? Should I remain here? Should I leave? Fancy people feel at home. How can I believe how I really feel? Champagne and moonlight set me free. Set me free. Oh, free, oh, feel it all in fancy people feel at home. How can I reveal how I really feel? Champagne and set me free. Is this a true love? Is it real? Is this a true love holding me?
Via Veneto. Se on katu Rooman kaupungissa ja tuolla kadulla on muun muassa La Dolce Vita-niminen elokuva.